We'll show you how to assemble your Berkey system simply and easily. Before getting started, wash your hands for the cleanest possible assembly and ensure all the contents of your Berkey assembly checklist are available. Step 1. Remove the screw from the knob. Insert screw into the bottom side of the lid and screw the knob onto the top side of the lid. Step 2. Remove the spigot from the plastic bag without tearing the printed diagram. Step 3. Insert the beveled washer onto the threaded portion of the spigot. Make sure that the flat side of the washer is facing toward the spout. Step 4. Insert the spigot through the hole on the exterior side of the lower chamber and then twist the spigot to the 9 o'clock position. Step 5. Insert the flat black washer on the threaded portion of the spigot inside the lower chamber. Step 6. Insert the nut behind the black washer and hand tighten the nut. Step 7. While holding the nut from the inside, twist the spigot clockwise from the outside to the 12 o'clock position. Step 8. Install plugs in holes that are not being used in the upper chamber. Systems vary with either white or black plugs. For white plugs, start by removing the nut and one washer from the plug, keeping the other washer on the thread of the plug. Insert the stem of the white plug through the hole on the inside of the upper chamber. Insert the other clear washer on the thread of the plug. Finally, hand tighten the nut onto the stem of the white plug on the exterior bottom portion of the upper chamber. Repeat this process with the remaining white plugs. For black plugs, simply insert the small end of the cone-shaped plug through the hole on the inside of the upper chamber. Repeat this process for the remaining plugs. Step 9. Prime the purification elements. To see an instructional video on how to prime your black Berkey purification elements, go to berkeywater.com and locate the video page under the Resources tab. Step 10. Insert the black washer onto the stem of the black Berkey purification element. Insert the stem of the element with its black washer through the hole on the inside of the upper chamber. Step 11. Use the provided wingnut and hand tighten the wingnut on the thread of the black Berkey purification element on the exterior bottom side of the upper chamber. Hand tighten the wingnut. Do not use tools or over tighten, as this may strip the threads on the wingnut. Repeat this process with all remaining elements. The 12th and final step is to place the upper chamber onto the lower chamber, fill the upper chamber with water, and then place the lid over the opening of the upper chamber. You are now purifying your first batch of clean and refreshing Berkey water. Enjoy!